replacement for Apple CarPlay on this system here. System, as you can see. Now we use the scroller down below. You can control through the menu. Also, you have things such as your phone. You'll have the operating menu. You'll have maps. Will also be on there. If I go to Waze, it will come up through here. You can either put the destination from your phone, or you can put the destination from here by pressing the eyeglass. We have Spotify, as you shown up here. And if I skip track, as you can see, it's skipping track. Volume on the steering wheel works as normal. So if I turn volume up, and you can reduce the volume on the steering wheel as well. Obviously the car has the original parking sensors, so obviously when you put the car into reverse, the sensor buzzing is sounded and the songs has muted, so when you come back out, the muting will stop and the sounds will raise back onto the CarPlay. We have Google Maps as well. Again, vice versa, we use the search symbol at the top in order to search through the system. If you'd like something like this on your vehicle, give us a call, 0208 554 5554.